Hi, Stephen Berry here from Greenfish Marketing. In this short video, we're going to show you how to set up and use conditional formatting in emails. You can use them in your campaigns as well as in your emails within your automations. So let's jump in and get underway. So here's the way that we can set up the conditional formatting within an email. So I'm actually in one of the campaign emails. This is actually one of the newsletters that we send out, and I'm going to show you two different ways of doing this. So we've got some of our saved blocks, for example. We've got one of our lead magnets, which you can download for a client profile worksheet. So I'm going to use this image to start with as an example. So we're just going to drag that into the newsletter and we'll put it there. That's probably not where it'd stay, but I just wanted to show you it's in there. So now that that image is in there, if you click on the cog element and then you click to make conditional, we can now set up some rules in here. Now, we want to show this to people that haven't downloaded the client profile. And when someone downloads the profile with us, we actually add a tag to them. So for example, for this one, what we want to do is tag does not exist and then put client profile, which should pop up shortly. As one of the, if that tag does not show, then this should come up, and then show this content if all conditions are met. So if this tag does not appear on the client's profile, on the client's contact details, then show this information. So when we send that out, if you do have this, then it will, if you do have client profile, it won't show you, and as you can see here, if it doesn't, it won't. Also, a different way of doing it, say that you've got a text block, and we're going to just start from scratch here. We're putting this at the bottom, and we're going to say p.s. Please upload your testimonial to Google My Business. Please follow the details below. We could then put in all the process and all the bits and pieces that we needed to do. And to make it easier, we're going to put, we might put, please copy your testimonial from here. So what we can do to make it easier, obviously the formatting and everything needs to be done, but what we can actually do is personalize it. And we actually have the client's testimonial saved in ActiveCampaign. When they give us a testimonial, we save it in there under their contact details and what we can do. So we only want to show this to people that have signed up, that have given us a testimonial and that haven't uploaded it to Google. Now we track that personally and we can see when they've done it, but again, what we're going to do is conditional formatting. So click on the cog, click make conditional, and then we're going to come up with two different stats here. So one of the things that we're going to do is testimonial is suitable equals yes, because we want to make sure it's a suitable testimonial, and is yes, and testimonial uploaded. I just need to quickly find it. Bear with me 1 second. Testimonial uploaded equals no. Now, show this content if all conditions are met. So what we need to do is make sure that yes, we're happy with it to go up, so that is yes, and to make sure that it has been uploaded, and that is no. And then what it will do is actually show this, and you can see it here. So this part won't go in if someone hasn't given us a testimonial. It's not going to be there, and if they have uploaded it, then we're not going to show this. If they haven't, then what we're going to do is add that into the newsletter. So when we send this newsletter out, although it looks a lot longer and it looks quite busy, this will only be shown to people that have not got downloaded this particular lead magnet of information, how to build your client profile, how to make sure you're talking to the right people. And then this bit will only show if someone has given us a testimonial and they haven't uploaded it to Google. And that's how you use conditional formatting in your emails to make it easier when you're talking to clients. Any questions, please reach out. We're always here to help. Thank you.